Hi guys, I just went to the ham radio fest and I got this beautiful radio. I wanted to check out what was inside.
Okay.
Hey, what is the name of the mouse that lives in that radio?
The name of the mouse that lives in... I don't have any mouse-filled radios. Okay, what kind is it?
It's a Robyn radio.
Robyn, yeah. So it's a daisy yellow thing. Now, what's the deal with all this on top? Is that...
Well, I thought it was pretty.
Yeah. Is that kind of rusty?
Yeah, just a little.
You know
it'll
what?
Still work.
I bet you that thing lived most of its life in a barn. I'm hearing some crunchy things when you do that. Come on, come on,
I
come on.
can't get it.
Yes, you can.
Oh.
Yeah, turn it over.
What is this?
What's what? Oh, isn't that lovely? Where are you going?
Hi.
Come here. We're not done.
I'm done.
Come here. Come here.
You.
Can you point out some of these nice things for people?
Spider red.
Oh, yeah.
Spider red. Spider red.
Amy, look down there. Look down there. What do you think that was?
I don't know.
I bet you a mousey used to live in there. Yeah.
Very funny, Grandpa.
Well, it's true. How do you think this stuff got in there? Isn't that lovely?
Very.
Should we go power it up?
No.
Why not?
Do you want to go bye-bye?
Sammy, I think we just need to go ahead and see if it'll power up for the fun of it. What do you think?
Yep.
All right, so the Robyn is plugged into the Variac, and Emmy knows how to operate it, so bring it up.
Yeah.
Wrong way, Feldman. Not so fast. Okay, push the amp button. Stop. Yes, push that. Yep, good. Oh, didn't have the instant on.
Look! What is that? There's no way.
Power up.
Look at that.
Yeah. So see? It's not a total loss, buddy. Yeah.
I'm gonna go get them.
Well, you know what? Well, there's no audio, but the channel selector works. I think there's hope for this thing.
That.
It's pretty amazing, huh?
Powered up.
Yeah. Now that's pretty amazing, isn't it?
That's rare.
Yeah, it is. So what's the lesson learned out of that?
Never judge a book by its cover.
Exactly. And in this case, it's not really a book. It's an old rusty radio. But that
Same
shows you
difference,
how
but it's-
well this stuff was built. Even it's all, it's all nasty like that, it still powers up. Isn't that wild? All right, Em, what do you think of your fine investment?
It's exactly what I expected to find.
And what did you find?
What do you think lived here? A spider's nest or a robin's nest?
Well, it does say Robyn on it. Maybe the spider's name was Robyn.